Hi, year 6, how are you? Okay. Our lesson for today is all about multiplying numbers by multiples of 10, 100, or 1000. Our learning objectives are multiply whole numbers by multiples of 10, 100, and 1000, and you need to know how to solve problems. Okay? Now, let's take a look of the first example. Find the product of 8 times 400. So, this is the same as, so you can do 8 times 4. Which number that we have two zeros? It's 100. So this is like multiplying 8 times 4 times 100. And what is 8 times 4? It is 32 times 100. So 32 times 100 is 3,200. Okay, so remember 8 times 4 is 32. And we have two zeros, so you add two zeros after you 2. Next example, multiply 9 times 6,000. So this will be the same as 9 times 6 times 1,000. So we have 3 zeros. So 9 times 6 is, yes, 54 times 1,000. So 54, and then add 3 zeros. Therefore, our answer will be 54,000. It's easy, isn't it? Let's move to the next question. Now, we have here question. Find the product and try to write the answers only. You can do it mentally, okay? And the most important here is you should master your times table, multiplication times table. So we have here an example, 30 times 50. The answer is 1,500. How was that? Because we multiply first 3 times 5. What is 3 times 5? Yes, it's 15. And we have two zeros. Then that will be 1,500. I'm going to do letter B and the rest you're going to do by yourself. Okay? Now, 30 times 80. So, 3 times 8 is 24. Then, how many zeros do we have? Two zeros. Just add at the end. So, the answer now is 2,400. Can you do it by yourself? You can pause your video and then answer, and then you can check your answer after. All right, let's check now the answers. 30 times 9, so a while ago, letter A, the answer is 1,500. And 30 times 80 is 2,400. 30 times 90, 2,700. 40 times 20 is 800. 40 times 50 is 2,000. 40 times 80 is 3,200. 90 times 20 is 1,800. And 90 times 60 is 5,400. Then the last one, 90 times 90 is 8,100. I hope you have done all correctly. Now let's move on. Okay, I will give you some example. If I have 24 times 20. So you have to multiply first 24 times 2 times 10. Yes? So what is 24 times 2? Of course, it's 48. And then times 10, okay? Therefore, it is 480. Another one. Let's have Okay, 42 times 3. So let's multiply 42 times 3 times 100. Or, remember we have 2 zeros there, so multiply first 42 times 3, which is, what's the answer? Let's put it here. That will be 6. And 4 times 3 is 12. And then let's add 2 zeros. That's it. Okay? Any question about this one? Now let's go to the next question. Okay, in your textbook, page 84, question 3A to I, we have here numbers that has missing numbers. So find the missing number in its multiplication. How we are going to do this? So you have to check first the number and the product, the given number. So this will be the same as, so you have to think first, what number should I multiply in 3, okay, to give 24? The answer is 8. So let's put 8 here. Since we have only 1 0, then, and we have 1 0 there, so the answer only is 8. Okay, let's go to the next question. Now, 40 times something equals 24,000. So now think again of 4. 4 times something equals 24. So what should I multiply in 4 to give me 24? Yes, it's 6. Now, I have 1 0 here, so I'm going to cut 1 0. How many more do I need? 2 zeros. So the answer is 600. Okay? One more, I'm going to answer first letter C, and then the rest you can answer and check your answer later, okay? Now, we have here 50 times something equals 35,000. Now, I have to think again of 5 times something equals 35. What should I multiply in 5 times something equals 35? Or I can say 35 divided by 5. But if it is easier for you, 5 times something or a number equals 35. Yes, it is 7. So I will write now 7 here. Now I have 1 0 here. So how many more 0 do I need to give me 35,000? So I will cut 1 0 because I have 1 0 there. So I need 2 zeros. So the answer is 700. All right. Now pause your video and try to answer the questions from D to I. So are you done? Check your answer if you did it correctly. So letter D, the answer is 6. Letter E, the answer is 60. Letter F, the answer is 70. Letter G, the answer is 4. Letter H is 30. And letter I is 100. Okay? Now, let's also solve word problem. We have done already multiplying numbers by multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. Let's solve also. Let's apply our knowledge in solving problem. We have a question here. Sarah's flower garden is 70 meters square. Fatima's flower garden is 20 times bigger than Sarah's. How wide is Fatima's garden? So we have 70 here and it says 20 times bigger. So you have to write 70 times 20. So what is 7 times 2? Yes, it is 14. And how many zeros do we have? We have 2 zeros. So the flower garden of Fatima is 1,400 meter. Let's see this one now. Meter square. All right. So that's all for now. I hope you understand the lesson. And see you in the next lesson again. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.